Generation Z is set to revolutionize the world of trading in a way that's going to make things very tight for other generations, while others were still struggling to learn the market. They rewrote the game with just a phone, an app, and a quick mind. How did they become the most dangerous competitors in the financial markets in just a few years? There are 3 key traits that have put Generation Z a head and shoulders above the rest in the financial markets. It's not luck and it's not years of experience. It's something else entirely that sets them apart. Let's find out together what makes this generation so dangerous. In the world of trading, what matters more? Speed, flexibility of Generation Z, experience of older generations? Leave a comment and let me know which side you think the scales tip on. The first trait: they don't just use artificial intelligence to get trading signals. They use it to think, to make decisions, and even to build their strategies. According to global statistics, over 80% of the active users of AI-based trading tools are under 30 years old. In other words, this generation has turned artificial intelligence into a teammate. While previous generations are still searching for candlestick patterns, this generation is turning the market on its head with AI. Second trait: for them, technology isn't an acquired skill. It's a language. It's the language they grew up with, thought in, played in, and now they trade in it. They aren't looking for courses that last for hours. A 60-second video is all they need to jump into a trade. While others are still fumbling with installation and setup, they're opening positions with a simple app on their phone. They speak the language of indicators, bots, and APIs. If the market gives an incomplete signal, this generation knows how to interpret it. It's as if technology is their native language. The third trait: they aren't tied to any single method or system. If a strategy doesn't work today, they'll just switch it. If the market moves against them tomorrow, they update themselves. The generations before us were always searching for one fixed method, but they know that in the market, nothing is permanent. Not the trends, not the profits, not even the mistakes. Because they aren't dogmatic, they learn faster, they recover faster, and most importantly, they get back in the game faster. Generation Z has come to take over the market, not with luck or chance, but with tools that many people still don't know how to use properly. Artificial intelligence has become their trading partner. They've mastered technology like a playmaker, and when the market makes a move, they can already hear the next one coming. If you're part of this generation, be proud. And if you're not, it's time to start learning from them. Because the future of the market is happening right now. So what do you think? Which trait has given this generation such a massive lead?